Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
A color cast occurs when the color channels in an image are not in balance. The undesired effect is often an unusual tint of color and is a common result of improper lighting in a photograph. Fluorescent lights are one of the biggest culprits leading to a color cast in an image. The Remove Color Cast command is designed to balance the color in your image and remove the cast. To use this command, select Enhance, Adjust Color, Remove Color Cast from the menu bar. This will launch the Remove Color Cast dialog box. The command works when you click the eyedropper tool into the image where it should be white, gray, or black. Elements uses that information to adjust the colors accordingly. Click around until you get your desired results. Click Reset to undo any changes you have made. Click the OK button in this dialog box to save your changes.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.